Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Selenite gray metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo, pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. Black MB-Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim. Panorama sunroof. GLC 300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. Clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one comes with the Premium 1 package with blind spot assist. Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, multimedia package with voice command and navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climb controls, hard keys for a media display, cup holders, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC has 35,433 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmannimports.com.